Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you're creating forms on your WordPress website, you need a flexible tool that fits with your way of working. With Gravity Forms, you can build nearly any form with multiple options on how to embed it on your site. Let's jump in and take a quick look at how easy it is to add forms to your site with Gravity Forms. First, let's take a look at how to embed a form via the form editor. Open the form editor for the form you'd like to add to a page or post and select Embed. From here, you can choose to add this form to an existing page or post, or create a new page or post. You'll then be presented with the block editor, with your form already added to it. Within the block editor, you can fine-tune the look and feel of your form using the Orbital form styling options. When you're done, just hit Publish. Gravity Forms also gives you the option to add forms to your site from within the block editor. Simply click the Add Block button and search for Gravity. Add the Gravity Forms block to your page or post, then use the dropdown to select the form you'd like to embed. Once you've selected your form, you'll see a preview of how it will appear on your site. If you'd prefer to disable this preview, simply toggle it off in the sidebar. But what if you're not using the block editor? Gravity Forms still has you covered. Head back to the form editor for your form and click Embed. At the bottom of the Embed flyout, select Copy Shortcode to grab the form's embed code. Open the classic editor and paste this code wherever you'd like the form to be displayed on your page or post. You can also disable the form title if you'd like. Simply set the title parameter to false. For a full list of parameters you can add to your shortcode, like disabling the form description or enabling Ajax, check out our docs site, linked below. Then simply hit Publish and you're all set. No matter if you're using Gutenberg or the classic editor, Gravity Forms makes it easy to add forms to your site. If you have any questions or need any help, let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more guides and tutorials. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next one.